Yes, let's get right on with it, because I wanted to ask you this, because Arnold, you've been in the industry for a long time. You know bodybuilding and weightlifting and just health in general. I get a lot of questions on my channel where guys are coming to me and wondering if they have low testosterone or not. You, though you don't struggle with low testosterone, still, you know all about it. And so, what are going to be some of the symptoms that guys are going to have when they are starting to suspect that they might have low testosterone? What can they expect that's going to be maybe a bit of a clue?
First of all, you're going to see that sometimes your energy just drops out of nowhere, okay? It just drops, it just goes away, and you don't know why. That might be one symptom of low testosterone, okay? Secondly, you're going to notice that your motivation is just not there like it used to be. You're going to sometimes think about doing things and then you're just going to say to yourself, no, I don't feel like doing that. I don't want to do it, okay? Sometimes that will happen too, so low motivation. Also, you might experience that you get the mood swings, okay? Sometimes your mood swings this way, sometimes your mood swings that way, and you don't know why. Anyway, so those three things, you might experience that if your testosterone is low.